Good day, grade 10s. Welcome to your CAT lesson. I will be creating PowerPoints and recording lessons for you while we are unable to go to school so that you can still participate. We are going to start working on the practical side. You are able to do these activities either on Microsoft Word, if you've got WPS or LibreOffice, even with Mahala, if you've created an account there, even Google Docs on your phone, tablet, laptop, any device. Okay, CAT is the one subject that you are able to still do while we are away from school. Okay, so let us take a look at what we are going to do today. So today we are going to focus on word processing and specifically editing. This is module 3.3 in your study opportunities textbook. Okay, so let's first take a backtrack and define the word editing. So editing refers to any changes that are made to an existing document. So I can improve the language. I can fix any spelling mistakes. If I choose to change words, I can replace them with more suitable ones. I can move the text. I can change the appearance. So maybe add some styles, to add some bolds, maybe italics, different things. And I can even add more information. Now, basic editing. Word allows you to copy text from one document and then paste it into another document or spreadsheet. So that's quite a nice thing. Remember, we started these activities at the end of last term, where you can highlight a section, right-click copy, and then you go to your new document, right-click paste. This saves you a lot of time and effort. So in this section, you're going to learn how to cut, copy, and paste. Now, I have told you to make a summary of shortcuts. This is so that it is easier for you and you will be able to work quicker. So try in your exam time, during the exams and tests, use your shortcuts because you're going to save a lot of time. So the first two we're going to look at is Control X, which is cut, and Control V, which is paste. So cut and paste moves text or an image from one place in the document to another location. Then I've got copy and paste. Now you've heard me, whenever I place work on the L drive, I say to you, copy this to your T drive, okay? Do not cut it because then the other students won't be able to access it. So copy paste keeps the text or the image in its original place, except it adds a copy to another location. So copy and paste text are useful functions when you need to duplicate information from one document or from another source to another and keep the original. There are different options under the Home tab in the dialog box called Paste. Okay, so there's three options that we are going to use to paste. You can keep the original formatting or you can just paste the text. Okay, so cut and paste text when it's not necessary to keep the original. So I don't want the original on the L drive anymore. Then what I would do is I would cut and paste. But be very, very careful because once you've cut it, it is going to disappear off its original location. And if you do something in between, you might lose your document. So what I would suggest you do is rather do a copy paste. And once it's in the new location, you go and delete the old one. So that if you want to just do a straight cut and paste, when it is necessary to keep the original text or image on the original document, the cut and paste functions can be used to remove the selected text from one document and place it in another one. The same paste options apply as in copy and paste. So the role of Let's just move this to the side here. The role of the clipboard when copying and moving text. So when we cut or copy, the item is placed in the computer's memory, so in its RAM, in a temporary location, what we call the clipboard. The paste options smart tag appears when you paste such an item. The items that you paste retain their formatting. So what I mean by that is, say I had some formatting attached to it. So it was bold and maybe in a font of Comic Sans in yellow. Okay, so with this paste option, it is going to keep the formatting. So it will exactly the way from the original document with the colors and the fonts, it will paste it in the new document. So the items that you paste retain their formatting. The Smart Tag presents you with 3 additional paste options. So keep source formatting, okay? It looks like the one that's got a paintbrush. The formatting of the pasted text will remain the same as that of the original text that was copied. Merge formatting, okay? Here's the merge one, the one that's got the little arrow. The pasted text will assume the formatting of the text in the destination. And then the last one, that's just got the little A there. There's the use destination style. And here is the keep text only. This one, no formatting. It is just a straight plain font, no colors, no frills, nothing. Just so it keeps all the original formatting will then be removed. So to read up a bit more on the clipboard, this is what we call a QR code. You can take your cell phone or your tablet and scan it in, and it's going to take you to a website. If you do not have a QR scanner, which most devices have, you can click on this link or on this YouTube link. Okay. You are going to complete activity 1 on page 157 from your textbook. I have already uploaded the document priorities into your assignment. And let's see, rearrange the priorities from most important to least important according to you. So it's given you a list of things, and you need to go and cut and paste or copy paste depending on what is the most important to the least important for you. So hint, select a line and use Control X to cut, and where you would like it, you will place your cursor in the front of that line and you press Control V. So then I want you to save the document as my top priorities. Then I'd like you to do the work through the document, copy, paste, delete, and the instructions are on the document for you. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to look at the find and replace. Word has a find and replace function, which is really useful when you quickly need to locate a word or character string in a large document. So this year you're going to do a PAT. And if you are suddenly looking for a specific piece of information and you don't have time to read through the whole one, you are going to use the find and replace. So use the find command if you only wish to locate a certain word or a character string. The replace command enables you to replace a given word or string in the selected text with another word or string. Replace a word or string as follows. So I'm going to select the word if necessary, the section of text in which to search. Then I will click on Home, Replace in my editing group, and a dialog box is going to appear. In the Find What box, you can press F5 here. That is a shortcut for find and replace. You are going to enter the word that you're looking for, and then in the replace section, you're going to change it to what it should be. So if I wanted, instead of the word and here, I would like it to change to the ampersand. That is that funny little and sign. So if I said to you, go and find all the ands in the document and change them to an ampersand. Okay, so you could either just replace one or replace all. This question is in or every single exam all the way to your final matric. So please make sure you know how to use the find and replace. You do not have time to read through the document. You're simply going to press F5 and then search for the word you're looking for. Here is a QR code again to help you with find and replace. Once you've worked through those sections, I'd like you to do activity 2 for me on page 158. Here are the activities. Remember, you do have the CD with the videos that came with your textbook. So you are allowed to first go and watch the video and then go and do the activity. Sorry. Okay, so guys, there's 2 activities for you to complete. Make sure that you do them. You're going to submit them as soon as you can. I know there's a bit of a problem on Google Classroom at the moment. I will give you instructions on how to do that. Basically, there seems to be a bit of a problem uploading external documents into Google Classroom. You can either open that document with Google Docs and then add it to your assignment, or you save your document into Google Drive and then upload it from there. So that is the solution I have at this stage. I'm not sure why Google Classroom is doing that, but I have investigated and that they say that is the option at this stage. Okay, have a wonderful day. I will see you again tomorrow. We will have another lesson, and I hope you are all doing well and hope to see you soon. Great. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.